Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create a new 3D model. So this is the drawing of the 3D model. First front view, top view and side view. So we are going to start with this rectangular box first. So let's start, minimize it, file, open, new, select part and OK. These are three planes, front plane, top plane and right plane. So we are going to drawing in front plane. So select front plane, click on sketch and click on line command. We'll click on this corner to corner rectangle command, okay, because we are going to draw a rectangle. Always start your drawing with this origin point. So click on this origin point, draw a rectangle. Right click and select OK. Now we will give dimensions to define the diagram. Okay, so let's check dimensions. 40 by 32 and the thickness is 11. Minimize it, select smart dimensions 40 and the width is 32. Okay. Now we will give thickness. Go to the features command, extruded box base. The thickness is 11. Okay. Now it's done. The box is ready. Now we will draw this part. So let's check the structure of this part. Okay. Now minimize it. Now select this surface, this portion. Go to the sketch command and select sketch. Now we are going to make this surface normal. For making it normal, place Ctrl+8 on your keyboard. Okay. Now we will select here line command. Okay. Now we will draw a line and there is a semicircle portion. So take your cursor cross, come back to this point and see. Okay. Select. There is a shortcut button for select, escape on your keyboard. Now right click on this line. This line is slightly slant, so we will make it horizontal, so it's straight now. Now there is a circle here. Okay. Now click on circle command. Click on the center and draw a circle. Okay. Now we will give dimensions to make it defined. So from this line to the outer line, the dimension is 52 and already our box thickness is 11. So we will minus 11 from 30 to 52, it's 41 and the thickness is 11 and the circle diameter is 16 and the radius is 16. Okay, and the distance from here till the center of the circle is 36. So minimize it. Smart dimensions. We will select this line and the outer line, it's 41. Okay. Now we will again select this line and the center of the circle, it's 32. Let's check the circle dimension. It's 36. Sorry. Minimize it. Click on this dimension and delete. Okay. Now select this line, this outer line and the center of this circle. It's 36. Okay. Now select again dimensions and the diameter of this inner circle is 16. Now let's check the, yeah, it's 16. Diameter is 16. Okay. Now the thickness of this portion is 11. Okay, and this circle is a whole here. So go to the features, extruded box base. Okay, reverse it. Okay, and it's 11. It's already mentioned here. Okay, see, it's done now. Now the same portion is opposite on the opposite side, the same portion. So we will here we will use mirror command. For mirror command, first we will click on reference geometry, select plane here. Okay, now first reference we want here. Okay, now we will type here 0 first and flip offset. Okay, 0 is now we want this reference plane on the middle, so type here 20. Okay, see it's in the center. Now select mirror command. Okay, the first mirror face is already selected by the software. Now we will select the portion. Click on this arrow here. Okay, now select this. Now we will select this box. Okay, this box extruded. Okay, see it's selected. Now click on this plane, right click on this plane and hide. Okay, now the plane is hidden now here. Now there is a circle here. Okay, so the circle diameter is 18 and the length of the circle is 32 and it's in the center. Okay, minimize it. Now we will select this surface and go to the sketch, click on sketch command. Okay, make it normal, Ctrl 8. Now click on circle command and draw a circle. Okay, now we will give dimensions. The circle diameter is 18. Okay, now it's in the center, so escape it. We press shift button on your keyboard. See here it's a middle point, the square, and we will select the middle point of center and we will make it vertical. Do the same for horizontal. Okay, select shift button on your keyboard, click on the middle point and center a circle's middle point. Shift button, middle point on the width and middle point on the circle and make it horizontal. So it's fully defined now. Now we will go to the features, extruded box base, and the length of this box is circle is 36 cylinder. Okay, so here our drawing is ready. So now we will go to the edit appearances and we will give color. We will add color for our 3D component. So I'm giving here green color, light green color. No, I am giving here yellow color. Okay, now first I will save this file. Okay, Ctrl plus S, shortcut key for saving, and exercise number 14. Okay, so here my 3D component is ready. So please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.